Yeah, well, I liked the first day with the tutorials. So I attended the tutorial of Claudia about large language models, which was very interesting. And also that tutorial was a good introduction to my own tutorial in the afternoon about exploratory testing and pairing with AI. So using AI to do exploratory testing. And well, we had a lot of people in the room and they really worked well and enjoyed using AI to basically improve their exploratory testing skills. I was part of the program committee and we reviewed all the proposals, and I'm very happy with all the proposals that came in. It's good quality, and you can now see that there is a real nice program with a lot of variety of topics. So yeah, I'm very thankful to all the people that sent a proposal, and of course we're very happy with the people that are actually here presenting.
We are in SEETEST for 8th time. We are a regular participant, and for us this conference is a stage where we present our latest achievements.
For me, a lot of friends are here, a lot of nice sessions. Also the first day is tutorial, then comes the keynotes and the sessions and the parallel tracks. It's full of know-how and full of energy and nice people, and I like it.
I think it's a great opportunity to have the possibility to attend such a conference, and I really believe that this is giving the opportunity to everyone in every company, in our company as well, to just come here, you know, have a time for some networking, also enjoy the content, because I think that this content is giving them also the chance to learn something new, to experience some knowledge from other professionals who are coming from different industries. So I really believe that this is giving them the chance to just develop themselves in the field that they're working.
I'm here from the company I'm using, and meeting a lot of people, speaking with them, speaking what they're doing, what problems they're solving, what technologies they're using. Communicating with them is very interesting part of the conference.
This is actually my 9th time. My first time was here 2017, and now it's 9 times in a row. A very nice conference, very nice organization, very nice people, and in total I'm very satisfied from the program, from the people and everything.
A really good conference, nice and friendly. Met some nice and friendly people here. It's been the first time for me coming to Bulgaria, and yeah, it's been good to make connections with people and just see how the testing's done in other parts of the world. I live in Sweden, and we've got certain ways of doing things, and it's interesting when you come here, see these talks, speak to other people, to learn that really testing's pretty much the same wherever you go.
What I like most about the conference so far is the surroundings, the people, the participants. I think it's the 6th time I've been to the SEETEST conference, and every time I'm looking forward to participate. My presentation is about creating a mindset applying AI. So not using the tools, but you should prepare yourself to understand it.
It's a great conference. It feels like a family for me.
I would like to come again next year. It has been really interesting. Topics like AI, generative AI, the keynote was amazing. The people are amazing. It's my first time in the Balkans, so I'm really happy to be here. And I feel it really close to our feelings as well as Spanish people. So I'm really happy to be here in Sofia in SEETEST.
This is my fourth SEETEST, but due to Corona, one was completely virtual. And it's my very first time that I'm in Sofia in Bulgaria. I think it's a very dynamic, interactive conference, very experienced speakers, but also the audience is very enthusiastic, which makes it great interaction between people, and that is what the conference is about.
So far, I liked it very much. This year, I'm trying to implement AI in my day-to-day life, work life, and throughout the project also. And there were many topics related to AI that was very interesting to join. And there was one topic by Kim that 5 reasons why not to use AI. So I was thinking we have here all the topics why to use AI. This one topic was why not to use AI. And there I learned we shouldn't use AI as the main pilot and giving all the control to it. We should use it as a co-pilot and as a junior worker that can help us in our work life.
We're back to Bulgaria after 3 years. We have been to Romania and Croatia, and finally we're back to our homeland. We will be going to a brand new location that we've never been so far, the beautiful country of Slovenia. So 2026 will be probably in Ljubljana.